good Sunday morning. I hope everyone has been able to enjoy their weekend so far. I'm News 19 meteorologist Erin Walker. Taking a look at our satellite radar, you can see that we're mostly clear for right now, maybe a few spotty showers, but we are going to see some unpleasant weather make way towards us here in the Midlands due to a cold front that's going to stay stalled over much of the southeast throughout the next couple of days, and that's just going to bring us a good chance each day to see some rainfall. So this week, that unpleasant weather pattern continues for Monday and Tuesday, but as we get towards Wednesday and Thursday, we're keeping an eye on the tropics. So let's take a look. Tropical Depression 10 off the Yucatan Coast Peninsula right now, wind speeds about 35 miles an hour. Now the hurricane hunters will be going out today to get a closer look at the structure of this system, but let's take a look at the forecast from the National Hurricane Center right now. Well, those waters over the Gulf of Mexico are very warm. So as this system continues northward and gets into those warmer waters, that's when rapid intensification could occur and it become a hurricane. Now getting closer to the coast, mainly the western coast of Florida and possibly more specifically the eastern panhandle of Florida could land as a Category 1 hurricane, but we know that as the system makes landfall, then it will rapidly weaken. So forecast funnel, we could see impacts anywhere throughout here, which means the system could miss us completely and go off the coast, but we also could possibly see impacts coming towards us here in the Midlands. Tropical storm impacts, so nothing like a hurricane, but still something we need to be aware of. Heavy rainfall with possible localized flooding along with some damaging winds, and tornado activity is not likely, but we cannot rule it out. All right, now that we've discussed that, let's talk about our Sunday forecast for today. A little bit cooler out there in Columbia and in Sumter, though in Orangeburg, a bit warmer, 4 degrees warmer for right now. Your forecast for today, we're going to see a high temperature of 94 degrees with some scattered storms. It's going to be a warm and humid day for today, as we're under a marginal risk to see some severe weather. That's a 1 out of 5 risk, so let's take a look at those forecast models. We're not going to see some storm activity until around 2:30 p.m. and then those storms really expand from there, seeing some stronger storm possibilities near Orangeburg, Calhoun, and Sumter. We're going to see the possibility of some stronger winds for today and definitely a better chance to see some rainfall than what we saw yesterday. Continuing throughout Sunday evening, those storms move eastward, and the eastern side of the Midlands are going to see some of that activity throughout later in the night. Here's your 7-day forecast. Today, a high temperature of 94 degrees with a feels like temperature of 105. Temperatures are going to cool down throughout the next couple of days. Again, we're going to see some unpleasant weather Monday and Tuesday, tracking the tropics Wednesday and Thursday, but by the time of the next end of the week, it's going to be sunny and conditions, they're going to start to warm back up.